Did you know that walking the Camino de Santiago can burn up to 600 calories per day, making it a serious adventure for both the body and mind? If you're planning to take on this incredible journey, you'll need more than just enthusiasm. You'll need proper training. Welcome to Pilgrim's Compass. In this video, we'll show you how to effectively train for the Camino de Santiago, one of the most iconic pilgrimages in the world. With thousands of pilgrims taking on this challenge each year, preparation is key to making your journey a rewarding and successful one. Many aspiring walkers underestimate the physical demands of the Camino. Without proper preparation, they often face injuries, fatigue, or the frustration of cutting their journey short. But with the right training, you can overcome these challenges and fully enjoy the experience. Let's dive into the key training strategies that will help you prepare for this incredible journey. Build endurance. Start by walking short distances and gradually increase your mileage each week. Aim to walk at least 10 to 15 kilometers a day leading up to your Camino. Strength training. Incorporate exercises like squats, lunges, and core work to build the muscles that will support you during long days of walking. Focus on footwear. Proper footwear is essential. Invest in high-quality hiking shoes or boots and break them in before your journey to avoid painful blisters. Simulate real-life conditions. Train with a loaded backpack similar to what you'll carry on the Camino. Practice walking on uneven terrain to mimic the trail conditions. These steps will prepare your body for the physical challenges ahead, while giving you a taste of the adventure to come. Here's a proven training plan to guide your preparation. Start with shorter walks of 5 to 7 kilometers, then gradually increase the distance each week. By the final weeks before your Camino, you should be able to comfortably walk 20 to 25 kilometers in a single day with your gear. Include rest days to allow your body to recover and avoid burnout. Remember, training isn't just about building strength, it's about building confidence and resilience for the journey ahead. To recap, effective Camino training involves gradually building endurance, strengthening your muscles wearing proper footwear, and simulating real-life trail conditions. Starting early and staying consistent will set you up for a successful and memorable pilgrimage. If you found this video helpful, check out our other content on hiking tips and gear recommendations, and we'd love to hear from you. Share your training experiences or questions in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on your journey of faith and adventure. Buen Camino!